I'm Teresa Matic with the Investing News Network. Here with me today is Mark Kolobaba, CEO of Adamara Minerals. Mark, thank you for joining me.
Thank you for having me on the show.
Perfect. So Adamara is a junior company exploring for gold and other minerals in the state of Washington. Can you tell me about the company and what you're doing there?
Yep, you're right, it's a very strong focus. We're looking for high-grade gold in the state of Washington, but not only are we in Washington, but we're focused on an area that's got a mill that's very much underutilized and will be out of ore within just a few months. So the game is on for us. We're trying to find something that will interest Kinross, who's the owner of the mill.
Okay, and aside from that, you're also trying to develop the argument that all these little skarn deposits in the area are outliers of something that is much bigger. What's driving that thesis?
Yeah, that's been an approach we've taken right from the beginning, and one of the things we do is we look at things very differently than what was done in the past. And funny you should ask that question, because we have actually come up with something very recently.
Okay, Adamara is a very small company, but you're still moving forward with sampling, other sorts of exploration activities. Why is that important to you?
Well, the key thing for us is we operate very low cost. We own our own small drill. We own all of our magnetometers and geophysical equipment. And that allows us to do a lot of work, and the type of work we're doing is generating projects. So we're doing greenfields exploration, and that is something that the market typically doesn't like to fund, but I think it's very important. It's a very important part of our business, but we've been able to do it very inexpensively, and we get a lot of data and a lot of activity for a small amount of money because of that low-cost operation.
Okay, and more generally, why have you decided to focus your business on that? Why the need for greenfield exploration?
Well, I think the big thing is a lot of the larger companies are getting out of exploration, and that's very clear. They're getting rid of their exploration for employees. You're seeing less companies, juniors, looking at exploration. They all want to operate mines. We're a very small company. We're trying to generate the opportunities, and I think it's really important because the majors are not exploring for these things, and somebody's got to find them.
Okay, and it's a very compelling argument, but obviously there's still a lot of investors for whom it's too risky of an investment. What would you say to people who might be still sitting on the sidelines in the junior space?
Well, there will be a time when people recognize greenfields exploration is extremely important. Right now, it's not just the small investors that we're talking to. We're also talking to mid-tier producers. Mid-tier producers also need new deposits, and that's what we're really trying to appeal to right now.
Okay, and finally, what can investors look forward to from Adamara for the rest of the year?
Well, for one thing, our new model for parts of Washington State is going to be coming out very soon. The fact that we have all of our equipment, we will do a lot of work. We do a lot of geophysics. We do a lot of modeling, and we expect to drill a number of targets this year, and that's really what the driving force is for us. We've got some good targets, and they just need to be tested.
Great. Thank you so much for joining me, Mark.
Thank you very much for having me on the show.
I'm Teresa Matic with the Investing News Network.